Depending on the needs of your classroom, you may want to make some changes to the activity instructions. It's very easy to do so, and all you have to do is look for this Remix this resource button at the top of the screen. You'll click on that and then you'll be provided with an editable version of the activity. I can make any changes that I see fit. Some changes that you might make for your students might be changing a vocabulary word, reordering the instructions, or maybe you have a different warm-up that you'd like to do with the students. Any of these changes are able to be entered and they won't affect the Pathways Project original materials. So you can enter those in, and then once you're done, you'll just come up here to the Submit button. The nice thing is that you'll have a separate copy of the document you can use with your students, and this new version of the activity will also be reshared as a remixed activity with the Pathways Project community.